Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Love Sundays. I've come over to Newquay today. I've come up here to get lots of footage for Sean's beach reviews. Don't worry, I won't play the intro. I'm at Fistral Beach at the minute. I've literally driven around for about half an hour just trying to find a space. It is crazy busy. So in this episode, all that's really going to happen is I'm going to just put all the footage together that I've done today and let you see it. But because it's so busy, I'm not going to be taking any chances. Mask is on. I look a bit incognito, but let's do it. Forgot to mention as well, in hindsight, if I had planned this better, I would have got here earlier and then I wouldn't have had to have driven around for so long. So anyway, here's the video of beautiful Newquay on a very, very busy 2020 summer day. And that was it. Only made 3 beaches in the end because I was going to end it at Watergate Bay, which is where I am now, but there's absolutely nowhere to park. 3 car parks here and they're all full. I think I probably should have come here first, but I'll tell you what, going to all these beaches on such a hot and beautiful day, to begin with it started off quite foggy and misty, and now the sun's come out and I've probably lost about a stone in weight through sweat today. I mean, I am dripping with sweat. Anyway, hopefully you liked this video today. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and look out for those beach reviews because there will be quite a few coming soon. See you in the next video. Cheers!